My boy gotta do something about them brakes, man.
Man, no, well, I was just coming to. You got my head there. Now I'm about to run over here and get all of the stuff so they can button up the motor. The other day I just went and got the head gaskets, but now I'm about to get ready to go over here and get everything that I need so they can go ahead and button up the whole engine.
For the lifters, only find 3, only 1. This bolt is 4. I think it's the special bolt.
Yeah, everything is set. So that's number 1. That's number 1.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Yeah.
You gonna teach me how to do that? Yeah.
The marks is the. This you need to put a lignament with the crankshaft here. This point.
The 12 and 6.
The circle. This 12. The crankshaft is in the 12.
12.
With the cam in the 6.
6. Okay. Now I know. Alright, YouTube, man, it's been finally built. They redone everything to it. So now I'm just about to get ready to take it to the house, because right now it's raining outside. So I'm gonna take it to the house and I'm gonna take it and drop it off tomorrow. Yeah, man, YouTube, they went in the inside, the new cam in it, main bearings, rod bearings, cam bearings, LS7 lifters, and the GM trays. Man, it's gonna be better than what it was, hopefully, man, when we get it installed and put in. So that's what we banking on. So that's what you put on the cam. It's thick.
Before assembly.
Okay. So it needs to be installed quickly before it dry.
I think it's
The last.
When you're running again, you need stay 10 minutes or more in rallying.
Okay.
But don't worry, everything is good.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right, YouTube, man. I'm headed to the house. We got the engine on the back. I'm about to head to the house, and I'm going to go ahead and cover it up, and then I'm going to drop it off tomorrow. If the guy's there, I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow, and they're gonna, we're gonna get started and we're gonna tamper with it. So this is my second time going in. So something that I learned right now, man, you cannot buy those cheap lifters and those cheap trays, because that's what caused my cam to fail, and it had scratches and stuff on the cam bearings. So man, I'll never buy those cheap trays and cheap lifters offline off Amazon, because that's what caused the problem the first time. So if I ever do an engine again, I would actually go to AutoZone and buy those milling lifters or GM lifters and GM hard trays, because those trays I got, they were real thin, and man, it was just a terrible thing, man. So I don't know, man. We're gonna get this a shot and see how everything turn out. All right, got the motor at the house. It's doing some rain and last night, so I went on ahead and covered it up. But right now, still got everything. Like I said, we got the engine out of the Avenger right over there, and he started on that one. And right now I'm about to move this car out of the garage, the BoxChevy out of the garage, because it's easier to move than to tamper with this truck. So we can put this car right here in the garage, and he can go ahead and take the engine out. He can go ahead and put that engine in, and we're gonna crank this car up. This car be done. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start on the truck or the BoxChevy, the purple BoxChevy. I don't know, but this is what I'm gonna do right now. You sold the car. I got you. I got you. Yeah, YouTube, man, we sold it. Now, the only thing is left is to drop it in there. My guy say he Big Daddy towing. Big Daddy towing, man. They finna put them a motor in it. They got the title already. And that's the end of this trip. Yeah, YouTube, man, we are done for the day, man. I can't get that. It was raining. He didn't get a chance to come over today and finish everything off for me. But hopefully he'll be here in the morning. As you can see, I still got the engine on the back of the truck. Hopefully, if it's not just pouring down, raining, I will be able to take it around the corner where my car is. And this is the only car right here that's just nothing I can really do to it. I mean, everything is there. It's nothing I can really just flat out do to it. But yeah, man, YouTube, man, this is it, man. Everything's gonna come together. Hopefully, when that car comes back, I'll be going to the interior shop pretty soon for the purple car. Yeah, man, just want to give y'all another look at this. There's nothing I can actually do to this car. I thought about doing the sunroof, but I don't really want to tamper with that up there and then risk splitting it and all of that. So I'm gonna leave that alone. And yeah, man, it's going down. I want to do this light still, man. Stock engine. Yeah. Well, anyway, YouTube, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. The next video will be when we drop it in there. Hopefully, that'll be the next video. And then a few things I'm going to do to the truck outside, the 94 GMC. There's going to be a couple more videos because the Dodge Avenger videos, they over with. That was just something, I wanted to just throw on my channel as well. So, but anyway, like, comment, subscribe, man. Another thing I wanted to say before I leave and get out of here is, man, inbox me on Instagram because I want to know where all the car shows are. I'm going to try to pull up, man. I don't care if it's Alabama, man, any other state, man, I'm gonna try my best to pull up at different shows, man, because here, you know, we get the same old at every show. You know, it's still enjoyable, but I want to try something else. You know, I want to you know, go to different shows, man, and meet different YouTubers and different car builders and everything like that. So I'm gonna give that a shot, man. You know, if like say my Silverado still running good, or if I even get the GMC running pretty good out there, I'm gonna travel 4 or 5 hours to different shows. You know, I don't really want to do no long trips, but I will. You know what I'm saying, if it's a big show. But anyway, that's all I really want to say on that. Yeah, inbox me at BoxCutlass period 8690. Yeah, I try to remember my Instagram. I don't be on Instagram that much, but hit me up there if you find any flyers out here towards the Memphis area. I want to go to them shows.